By any chance, if you are bored of Converse Chuck 70s, the normal ones or the normal Converse All Stars, here I have 5 different Converses you can definitely try. Let's go. What is up people, this is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I am super duper excited for this video, and for the first time this is the perfect setup for a Converse video because we have a Converse box up there, and I have 5 sneakers here, out of which 3 boxes have Converse in them. So yes, it's a great Converse setup, and this is not sponsored by Converse by any means. They have not. If they want to, they will in future. Please Converse, if you for watching this. But for now, let's unbox some Converse sneakers and let me show you guys few of those which you can definitely try if you are bored of normal Converse Chuck 70s or the normal All Stars. Let's go. Starting with the first Converse pair, and I believe this is one of my favorite sneaker on this list. I'll tell you the reason, but let's unbox this and let's check it out. So this is Converse Chuck Taylor All Star in this full black leather upper. This is exactly the normal Converse All Stars, but the only difference in this pair is that it has all leather upper instead of that normal canvas. And that is what makes this sneaker very interesting in my opinion, because the normal Converse All Stars are like very simple, casual. It's a great sneaker. I do not criticize that. It is a very good sneaker, but this one just elevates it to the next level. Like, this goes with everything again because it's a black and white Converse, and Converse you can rock with everything, but having leather on it is just to the next level. This totally changes the game and it looks absolutely fire. Again, this sneaker fits true to size, does not have great comfort but decently comfortable. Converse, if you guys know it, you know it. Like, Converse are not meant to be really comfortable, but I feel they are nice, but a lot of people feel they are not really comfortable. So yes, decently comfortable, true to size, and it will cost you 5,500 rupees. So a great pair. Okay, now moving to the next pair on this list, and it is a different Converse box because it is a Converse skate sneaker, that is Converse Cons. So let's unbox this and let's check it out. So this is Converse VULC Pro OX. So this is a dedicated skateboarding sneaker made by Converse. You have this full suede upper in that dark green colorway. Then you have this full rubber midsole in white for durability, and you get that Converse leather logo stitched on the sides of the Converse and on the back heel. And if you are not a skateboarder, let me just tell you guys that suede's a bit harder to maintain. If you wash it, if there is some liquid on it, it's very difficult to take it off. So yes, if you do not like suede sneakers, stay away from this. But overall, this is a great sneaker, very much durable, decently comfortable, fits true to size, and yes, looks very nice. And I feel great sneaker for the summer weather because a low top pair, everyone needs it, and if you have something like this, it's an interesting pair. And talking about the pricing on this, again you will get this for 5,499 rupees, that is 5,500 rupees, a good price. Now moving to the next sneaker on this list, and we have a small pair because that's the only size unfortunately I got for the review pair, and yes, it's a good pair. Let me just show you. So this is Converse All Star CTCX2. This has the exact Converse Chuck Taylor silhouette, but there is a lot of different things on this pair. Just like a translucent midsole, a different material of canvas used on the upper, a very different lacing pattern, and very different laces on them. And the biggest difference between this pair and the normal All-Star pair is the comfort level on this, because this has the CX foam, which makes this sneaker very comfortable. This is the most comfortable technology from Converse, and that makes this sneaker very light and very comfortable compared to a normal Converse All Star. And all of this comfort comes for a price, that is 6,499 rupees, that is 6,500 rupees. Now moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and let's unbox it. So this is Converse Cruise High. So this is a platform sneaker from Converse which has a very different silhouette and has a very big midsole. This will definitely add at least 2 inches to your height. This sneaker looks heavy, but it is opposite. It is very lightweight because the midsole and the outsole is made out of a foam material, and which is very comfortable. You also get a suede tongue on it, which is very comfortable. Yes, this is a very newer and an interesting silhouette from Converse, and I feel the low top model in this one looks bit better, but a lot of people like the high tops, and that is the reason I have the high tops in my hand. So this sneaker has comfort, fits true to size, is a high top pair, and you will get it for 5,499 rupees, that is 5,500 rupees. So now we have the next sneaker from Converse, and let's unbox this. This is a heavy box. Let's go. So this is Converse Runstar Hike from the sketch pack. So everything on this pair looks like it has been hand sketched. From the stitchings to the eyelets and from the logo to the midsole of the sneaker. Everything looks like it has been hand sketched. Even the laces on the sneaker are big and flat, and even the pull tab of the sneaker is unorganized. And that's what makes this sneaker very interesting in my opinion. And yes, this sneaker is heavy. If you guys are looking for lightweight sneaker or something like that, this is not the one you should go for. But yes, this sneaker definitely adds 2 inches to your height. That is very interesting. I had a pair. It is not uncomfortable. It is pretty comfortable sneaker, but a heavy one. I had rocked this pair for 2 years, I believe. And yes, it's a very good pair. And all of this comes for a price. That is 7,499 rupees. That is 7,500 rupees. All the Converse on this list are from Amazon. You can go and check it out. I have linked all of them in the description, and do let me know which is your favorite from this. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.